Hey everyone, Linus here. Let's dive into the world of software and computer networks. These things are everywhere. They're the backbone of how we communicate, work, and play in this digital age. Imagine a world without the internet. No Google searches, no streaming your favorite shows, and no connecting with friends online. That's what life would be like without software and computer networks. Software is the set of instructions that tell our computers what to do. It's the brains behind the operation. Networks, on the other hand, are like the nervous system, allowing computers to talk to each other and share information. Together, software and computer networks have revolutionized our world. From the apps on your phone to the global network that connects us all, these technologies are shaping how we live, work, and interact. Let's talk about system software. This is the foundation that allows your computer to function. Think of it as the operating system, like Windows or Mac OS. System software manages the computer's hardware resources, such as the processor, memory, and storage. It also provides a platform for application software to run on. Examples of system software include operating systems, device drivers, and system utilities. These components work behind the scenes, ensuring that your computer runs smoothly and efficiently. Without system software, your computer would be a useless hunk of metal and plastic. It's the essential ingredient that brings everything to life. Now, let's move on to application software. These are the programs that we use every day to perform specific tasks. Think about your web browser, your favorite word processor, or that game you can't stop playing. These are all examples of application software. Application software is designed to make our lives easier and more productive. It allows us to communicate, create, learn, and be entertained. From productivity tools to entertainment apps, application software is what makes our computers truly versatile and powerful. It's the interface between us and the digital world. Okay, so how do we get this software? Well, there are a bunch of ways software is distributed. Traditionally, you'd buy software on physical media like CDs or DVDs. You can also download software directly from the internet. Subscription services are becoming increasingly popular, offering access to software for a monthly or annual fee. Think software as a service, or SaaS. Open source software is another option, where the source code is freely available for anyone to use, modify, and distribute. The beauty of this is in the community that supports it. Section 5. Connecting the dots computer networks. Now let's talk about computer networks. These are essential for communication and data sharing in today's world. A computer network is a group of interconnected devices such as computers, smartphones, and printers that can communicate with each other. Think of it as a digital highway. Networks allow us to share resources, access information, and collaborate with others from anywhere in the world. From small home networks to the vast global internet, computer networks have become an integral part of our lives. They enable us to stay connected and access information like never before. Section 6. Navigating the network, IP addresses, DNS, and protocols. To understand how networks work, we need to talk about IP addresses, DNS, and protocols. These are the rules of the road for data transmission. An IP address is a unique identifier for every device on a network. Think of it as your computer's home address on the internet. DNS, or Domain Name System, translates human-readable domain names like google.com into IP addresses that computers understand. Protocols are sets of rules that govern how data is transmitted over a network. They ensure that devices can communicate with each other effectively. Section 7. Network services, email, file transfer, and beyond. Computer networks enable a wide range of services that we rely on every day. Email allows us to send and receive electronic messages. File transfer protocols enable us to share files between computers. Web hosting allows individuals and organizations to make their websites accessible on the internet. These are just a few examples of the many services that computer networks provide. From online gaming to video conferencing, these services have transformed the way we live and work. Section 8. The Internet and the World Wide Web. A global tapestry. Now let's talk about the Internet and the World Wide Web. These terms are often used interchangeably, but they are not the same thing. The Internet is a vast global network of interconnected networks. It's the infrastructure that allows computers all over the world to communicate with each other. The World Wide Web, or simply the web, is a collection of interconnected documents and resources that are accessed over the Internet. It's what we use to browse websites, watch videos, and interact with online content. Section 9, Conclusion, Software Networks and Our Interconnected World. So there you have it, a crash course on software and computer networks. We've covered a lot of ground, from the basics of system and application software to the complexities of the Internet and the World Wide Web. These technologies are constantly evolving, shaping the way we live, work and interact with the world around us. Understanding these concepts is essential for navigating our increasingly digital world. Until next time, this is Linus signing off.